We are pleased to show you the 2011 E-Class. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a 7-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, rear fog light, 4-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof, electronic stability control, traction control. Inside you'll find security system, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, power steering, leather shift knob, leather-wrapped steering wheel, overhead console, driver vanity mirror. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
A certified pre-owned Mercedes-Benz is so much more than a used car. It's built by a company famous for engineering triumphs, racing heritage, and its commitment to luxury, quality, reliability, and safety. Ask your dealer for details about the Mercedes-Benz Certified Pre-Owned program.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.